A very good morning to all. Class 5, today we are going to start the next portion of time chapter, that is addition and subtraction of time. This is very important part of the time chapter where you should know how to convert if the addition comes more than 60. Suppose minute and second is given, and by adding seconds come more than 60, then what you have to do? You have to convert those seconds into minutes. So how you write that? Let's start. Follow the given steps for addition and subtraction of time given in hours, minutes and seconds. Arrange hour, minutes and seconds in different column and add or subtract as usual. First, simply as you add or subtract, you have to add or subtract like that. After that, if sum of minutes or second is more than 60, then regroup. How regroup? Because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So, like this you have to do. See in example number 1. Hours, minutes. You have simply written hours and minutes as usual and the answer came. If the minutes is more than 60, suppose here minutes came 37, but if it is more than 60, then what you have to do? Let's move to the next example. See it very carefully, children. First you have arranged minutes and seconds. Then you have added. See here in the second side this comes 74, and as we know 74 is more than 60 and 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So what you have to do at that time? First, children, you have to get the units of the time very well. Minutes, hours, seconds, these carry 60, but when you come to day, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. So this 60 is only for seconds and minutes. Now this second is more than 74. So what you will do? You will subtract 60. When you subtract this 60 from here, what you have to do? 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So on the right hand side, when you subtract 60 from the answer, you have to add 1 here on the left hand side. Now after subtraction, 14 here and here 38. So your answer will be 38 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay, let's read the third case. Now, in case of subtraction, if we borrow 1 hour, it will become 60 minutes. And if we borrow 1 minute, it will become 60 seconds. Let's move to the subtraction now. Maybe questions sometimes come in 24 and 12 minutes time also. Yes. First, look at the subtraction. Start here. Subtract 23 hours 42 minutes from itna. Now you have arranged it properly. After that, what you are seeing? That this is 07. Yes, this is 07 and we are unable to subtract this. In subtraction of time, the major thing is that you can't borrow from here as we do in simpler subtraction. In simple subtraction, what we do, if the question is given like this, we usually borrow from here to here. Suppose this is rupee and paise, then also we borrow from here. But in time, we can't borrow like that. You have to borrow the full unit. How? See, minutes, this is only 07 and here 42. So what you can do? You can take 60 minutes from an hour. When you take 60 minutes from an hour, this 60 minutes will be added to the right hand side and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, which you have given. So here you have to do this minus 1. Okay, then your column is 35 and here 67. The down number will be same. Now what you can do, you have to subtract it, and whatever answer come, that will be your answer. Understood? Yes. Now in subtraction, maybe year and month is given. Okay, so you can't do subtraction or month, you can't write 60 or you can't borrow 60. You have to look at the unit place very well. Subtract the month, right? So you have written month here and here year here. Here 00 and 09. As we know, 12 months is equal to 1 year. You can't subtract 09 from 00. What you can do, you can borrow 12 months from this side. You have taken 12 months from this side and 12 months is equal to 1 year. So you have subtracted 1 from 27. This becomes 26 years, 12 months, 14 years, 9 months you have to subtract. After that you got the answer. Okay children, I hope you understood this. Let's move to the exercise. If you don't understood this, again we will do it. Add 6 hours 20 minutes and 5 hours 36 minutes. This is very easy children. In addition, we have to do the conversion after getting the sum. But in subtraction, you have to borrow at first only. This is the only difference between addition and subtraction. So this is addition. You have to arrange in column as given. See, hours and minutes. So we will write on the top hours and minutes like this. See, as we arranged. Now 6 hours 20 minutes, 6 20, 5 hours 36 minutes, 5 36. Okay, you have to arrange it in column. Now you have to add 6 5 6 and 5 11. This is very easy, no need of changing. So your answer come 11 hours for 56 minutes. Let's take an example where it will be more. Let's take this one, G number. Okay, write hours and minutes. Now 2 hours 40 minutes, 5 hours 30 minutes, 7 hours 50 minutes. Now just add it. 0 4 plus 3 7, 12 2. This will be 120, right? 5 plus 2 7 and plus this 7 is 14. Now what you can do, this is 120. Yes. Now if you want to change this, how you can change this? If you have borrowed this one here, then the answer will be 3, 8 and 15. This would be 15 and here only 20 comes. Means 15 hours 20 minutes. But that would be wrong. See here, 120. This 120 means 2 minutes. Sorry, this 120 means 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. So now when you are changing this, what you have to do? You have to do here minus the same 120, you can do minus, and plus 2 here you have to do, because 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. Now your answer will be 16 hours. Understood how it comes? This is 120 minutes. So in 60 minutes there is 1 hour. So in 120 minutes there are 2 hours. So you have simply added 2 here in the hours column. Okay children, now today's work is just to do this A number or one number, that is addition. Next we will do tomorrow. Okay, till here complete your work in your